Adil, a photographer, ventures into a dangerous forest to take pictures of the mysterious castle. Along the way, an elder warns him that the castle is alive and impresses the source of the strange thing happened in the forest, and Adil finds a Saira who turn out to be parts of the castle itself. Adil destroys the castle through the amulet, but the question remains, is the castle really gone?
Adil, a talented photographer renowned for his ability to capture the exotic and the eerie in his frames, receives an unusual proposition. An unknown client approaches him with an enigmatic request to photograph an ancient fort hidden deep within a forest, reputed to be cursed. The allure of such a dangerous assignment is irresistible for Adil, hungry for more recognition and the riches promised by the mysterious client. Determined, Adil embarks on what he knows is a perilous journey. His trek begins across a barren desert, a stretch of desolate sand leading to the unfathomable darkness of the forest beyond. While traversing the desert, Adil meets an old man. His appearance as weathered and parched as the desert itself. The old man's words are cryptic and ominous. In the forest, nothing is as it seems. The fort is alive. Heedless of the warning, Adil continues, driven by a curious mix of bravado and determination. Upon reaching the edge of the forest, an eerie silence envelopes Adil. The towering trees, twisted and gnarled, seem to whisper secrets of the forest's dark history. As he ventures deeper into the woods, the air grows cold. Adil uses his cameras to capture images, but the frames come out foggy and distorted. The deeper Adil journeys into the forest, he begins to sense that he is not alone. Shadows flit between the trees, and a chill breeze carries a distant, haunting melody. Doubt begins to gnaw at his resolve, but a glimpse of the fort's ancient stone towers peeking through the forest canopy lures him onward. Once at the fort, its grandeur and decay meld in a haunting spectacle. Time has not been kind, and ivy strangles the stone walls. As Adil photographs the decaying glory, he hears whispers, voices urging him to leave. Brushing off the sensation, he climbs the fort's crumbling stairway. Seeking the highest vantage for his photographs, from the top, the view is stunning but disorienting. It seems the forest moved, rearranging itself below him. Realizing the true nature of the legends, Adil decides to return. The path out is gone, replaced by new growth and impenetrable thickets. Panic-stricken, he races through the woods, the sinister laughter of the forest echoing in his ears. The forest seems to extend endlessly, its once familiar paths foreign and ever-shifting. In a final desperate attempt to escape, Adil remembers the old man's warning. He places his camera in a clearing, hoping someone might find it and decipher his fate. Resolute, he steps into the shadows, his figure swallowed by the forest's endless embrace, becoming another mystery of the ancient fort that lured him to its inescapable grasp.
Yeah!